fried chicken, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Jesus.
Hey! Hey! How you doing, baby? Carter, James Carter. Baldwin Hills.
Isabella Molina from San Juan.
San Juan? I know San Juan. I traveled there many times on my private plane. You must know my good friend Pedro Morales, Gonzalez, Marato, Molasso, Modestos.
I don't think so, no.
You sure? Well, I'm sorry. I thought you rode in the best of circles. But listen, make yourself feel at home. You need anything? Champagne, caviar? My yacht is your yacht.
This is your yacht?
That's right. I'm the owner. The captain. El Capitan.
El Capitan?
Yes. Listen, I'm not gonna play games with you. I want you right now. I see me and you downstairs in one of those bathrooms in about 5 minutes.
Well, I'm very tempted. It's such a beautiful yacht. What's it called?
What's it called?
Your yacht.
The SS Minow Johnson.
The SS Minow Johnson.
Yeah.
Funny, the name on the back was the Red Dragon.
The Red Dragon. Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure. Because this is my friend's yacht.
Your friend's yacht?
And this is his party.
I must have got on the wrong yacht. All these yachts look just alike these days. I knew something was wrong when my key didn't work.
Who's your friend?
Somebody who got on the wrong yacht.
Hey, wait a second. I know you. Stephen Rain, right? You own half of Los Angeles. What you doing out here in Hong Kong?
I'm here for the weekend, taking in the sights.
You must have your own plane, too. It's fun, ain't it?
Shall we?
Well, enjoy the party, Mr. Carter.
I plan to, Miss Isabella. See you later, Stevie. Be cool.
Ricky Tan, where is he?
I don't know.
He killed a detective today. Where is he?
Who got killed, man?
Connor!
Who died, Lee?
You!
Detective Yu?
Not you, you!
Who?
You!
Who?
Do you understand the words that are coming out from my mouth?
Don't nobody understand the words that are coming out of your mouth, man.
Ricky Tan is waiting for you.
What the hell is going on here, Lee?
Remember I told you my father was a policeman?
Yeah.
Ricky Tan was his partner.
What?
狐狸，别跟我胡说八道！你忘记你从哪来的？怎么了？你长大了，现在有翅膀了，你可以飞了。给我滚！Lee, I've been expecting you. Please ask your partner.
Wait inside.
Hell no, I ain't going nowhere.
It's okay.
I'm not leaving you alone, Lee.
I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yes.
I'll be right upstairs.
I know what everybody is saying. I did not blow up the American embassy. I'm not that stupid. But I believe some of my people did.